National Erin Keston, congratulations. Congratulations and thank you for taking the time. And even though Mrs. Keskin wasn't able to come,
kadın ilişkileri çok yoğun olduğu bir coğrafyada yaşıyoruz. Ve ben de resmi güçler tarafından cinsel işkenceye maruz kalan kadınlara ve trans kadınlara avukat yapan bir derneğin başkanıyım. Aynı zamanda İnsan Hakları Derneği Eşgüdar Başkanıyım. Yaptığım çalışmalar nedeniyle çok uzun yıllar sürekli baskılara maruz en son hakkında 26 yıl 9 ay hapis cezası var. Yazdığım yazılarla ilgili. Bunun dışında 5 yıldır yurt dışına çıkamıyorum. Bu nedenle bu gibi baskı altında yaşayan coğrafyada düşünüyorum. Bu ödülün beni koruyacağına inanıyorum. O nedenle bana koyuyorum.
To achieve all of these things that we will cherish tonight, and I think the example of Erin Keskin right now does prove that. Now let me introduce you to our three shortlisted nominees in the category International Leaders Lifetime. We'll start again with the alphabetical order and how the functions in the Austrian Social Democratic Party. She served as a judge at the EU Court of Justice of the European Parliament and its Legal Affairs Committee, as well as the Council of Ministers, three major EU institutions, of course. Maria Berger is a visiting professor at the Institute of European Law at the University of Vienna. Katharina Lehmeyer has been serving as the first female president of the Higher Regional Court of Vienna since 2021. Katharina Lehmeyer became president of Higher Regional Court Linz back in 2016, making her the first ever president of the Higher Regional Court in Austria. Before that, she was the first president of the court under the jurisdiction of Higher Regional Court Linz, and Katharina is a member of the University Council, host of this very magnificent venue. Here, as a lawyer over 3 decades ago, Marcella was the first Austrian female lawyer to achieve direct admission to the bar in 2 different jurisdictions, that's in Austria and also additionally in New York. She appears to class ceilings with high bar functions in the EU and also in Austria, in which she promotes the lecturer at different institutions and organizations since 1995. The award now in this category will be presented by Lukas Fenger, their partner at FDP and co-sponsor of the Women in Law Initiative, from the stage right now. Thank you so much. Now, once again, it is my pleasure to introduce our Justitia Award 2022 winner in the category International Leaders Lifetime Award National, and that is Maria Berger. Congratulations.
John, yeah.
Lawyer. So typical.
This we have nhau nó sẽ bị name as a president. So things have changed. Maybe not enough, certainly not enough, but certainly there's some reason to be optimistic. Some reason to be optimistic, and I really want to thank all the lawyers for fighting so hard for the rights of women in countries where it's not easy. And we have seen from Turkey, and there are so many very impressive women here. I think that we in Austria, we have been very comfortable, yeah, to do our very going to be to congratulate all those who were shortlisted together with me, Bettina Brummer and Katharina Lehmann. Next time we have and I wish you all a nice evening. Thank you.
Thank you.
Erin Keskin and also, of course, Maria Berger. But we also want to congratulate all of our other shortlisted nominees. You are all incredible role models and hard work and dedication inspires all of us, especially the next generation of women in law. So please give another big round of applause for this year's. Second category, you can see it up here on the screen, academia, honors female researchers and scholars in the field of law. The academic who win the prize has conducted extensive research into questions of gender equality, of female careers and related questions in all the different legal professions. This research has had a significant impact or has delivered qualitative and or quantitatively measurable and tangible results. The winner of the Justitia Award in academia has influenced demonstrable changes not only in attitudes but also in beliefs and in practices towards women in the legal professions. I will now again present our shortlisted nominees in the second Justitia Award 2022 category, Academia International. Zlata Djordjevic, she's a professor of criminal procedure, human rights, and international European criminal law at the University of Zagreb. She has published extensively in the field of human rights, international criminal law, and criminal procedural law, and she has been cited by the European Court of Human Rights and has acted as an expert witness as well in the Justitia and illicit arbitrations. She's the president of the Working Group for the Criminal Procedure Act and the recipient of several international awards. Maria Patakiova is a Slovak lawyer who represents the Office of the Public Defender of Rights. She's also a university professor in the field of commercial and financial law. She's a member of the board of directors of the European Public Law Organization in Athens and questions connected to the problematics of human rights in the European and also in the global context. Maria follows the principle that public power must be exercised in good faith, fairly, wisely, and of course in line with its true purpose. The award in this category will be presented by Rupert Wolf, the president of the Austrian Bar. I will now kindly ask you to step forward with a round of applause. And our Justitia Award for 2022 is would also like to ask you to maybe say a few words. Yes, we'll be a word here. There's a mic.
I'm really honored and grateful to the award committee and the Women in Law initiative that have recognized my work and achievements as valuable for the feminism, human rights, fight against sexism, patriarchy, violence, and mistreatment and discrimination against women. As a girl, I have recognized these realities very early on and did not fight it. My feminist sisters throughout the world live and fight under autocracies, dictatorship, and totalitarian policies, regimes where women are oppressed and are without basic rights, essential needs, legally non-existent, physically oppressed and intellectually deprived. In this fight, they don't only risk, as we have seen just now, their professional career, but much more, their freedom, attacks on their integrity, dignity, family, and life. And there is no award or appreciation that we can pay and match their sacrifices. As a professor of law, my message is that the women in Europe, particularly my colleagues in academia, have to stop to pretend that gender discrimination does not exist. Does not concern them because they can professionally succeed. The more you advance in professional hierarchy, the more independent and freer you become. Then you can choose to give up the fight and settle in a quite comfortable academic position, or you can step out from the comfort zone and fight against sexism, sexist practices, patriarchal relations, and unwritten rules in academic community. Finally, I would not be here without my fellow professors from the Faculty of Law in Zagreb, who together with me have won the first half of the match, passing the regulation on the protection of students from sexual harassment and gender discrimination in the Faculty of Law, University of Zagreb. The implementation of this regulation and protection, proper protection of students, by established body at our university is the second half of this match, which we still is the battle that we have to win. And I would like to thank them with all my heart for nominating me. And at the end, I would like to say that I dedicate this award to my mother, who is a working woman with 3 children, who taught me to be proud, unsubmissive, and audacious. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much for those very inspiring words, and congratulations again. I may now present our shortlisted nominees in the second Justitia Award 2022 category Academia, but now on the national stage again. They are Elisabeth Holzleiter, Magdalena Köschel, and Lisa Hechler. Elisabeth Holzleiter is the one to start with. She's a professor of legal philosophy and legal gender studies. She served as head of the working group on equal treatment at the University of Vienna from 1994 until 2001, and has since drawn on her experiences of the hurdles women face in academic careers, incorporating her own insights into her scientific work. She's considered one of the leading scholars in this field. Elisabeth is also the head of the working group for equal treatment at the University of Vienna and head of the research platform GAIN. Magdalena Köschel is a professor of public law, also at the University of Vienna. The Principality of Liechtenstein awards scientists with a special prize each year, and in 2004, Magdalena won that prize for excellent work and research in her ability. The Institute of Constitution 2012, where she holds a chair at the Full University Training and Research Center on Human Rights and Democracy at the University European Commission, and she's also responsible for evaluating the ethical dimensions of EU research projects. She's a member of the monitoring committee that then oversees the implementation of the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. These efforts have been recognized by multiple organizations. The award in this category now will be presented by Lisa University of Vienna School of Law and Justitia Award Laureate 2013. I'd like to ask you to step forward with a round of applause again. This year's Justitia Award is Elisabeth Deutschland. Congratulations.
So, thank you so much. This is really a great honor for me. I'm particularly humbled considering all the fantastic colleagues who are also nominated. I'm in awe of your achievements. I want to thank those who nominated me. That was very kind of you. I also want to thank my law faculty for providing me with resources and recognition for my work, and for providing a home to our interdisciplinary research platform, GAIN, Gender and Liberty in Disabilities. And this is something I consider particularly important for my work. Interdisciplinary cooperation with sociologists, political scientists, very fruitful for my own work. We are living in troubled and challenging times. We have heard too much about that already.
Winners in the category Academia, Zlata Djordjevic and Lisa